So when I started working with Gold Dust, I actually had a lab relationship. And one of the challenges with that lab relationship was inconsistency. Sometimes I would get lab work back and I would think, my God, the best technician on the planet must have done this case, whether it was a single unit or it was a larger case. And then the next case I would try in, I thought, I'm not sure who did this. How long have they been doing this? Because there were challenges that for me I would have thought were very basic. And that can be really challenging in the flow of my day in a dental practice. So I was looking for keeping some things about my prior lab relationship, which was a lab that was relationship based, who I knew who I was going to call and I could have a conversation with the same person anytime I sent a case in and know they understood me and I understood them, and they already had that piece of the puzzle. But at the same time, they also know about doing significant dentistry from a standpoint of meaning it might be a single unit, but if I want to do it on a full arch impression, I want to put it on an articulator, I want to ask them to set the occlusion up a specific way, that they already understand those concepts. Or I'm doing an aesthetic case and they already know what to do with the stick bite and the face bow and why I sent a protrusive record, so that they're practicing at the level that I'm practicing, and that what I get back is consistent results. So when I sit down to seat a case, whether it's a single unit or it's a larger case, I know what to expect. I know how to schedule that patient, how much time there's going to be, and exactly what's going to happen around how the margins fit, interproximal contact, snapping to floss, what I'm going to find about the occlusion. I want to know what I'm getting as soon as I open that box. And one of the gifts of Gold Dust is I've got that. I've got the relationship. I've got a lab that understands the way I practice and is willing to create my cases in a way that fits for me, so it's very individualized, and consistent results all the time. When I open the box, I know what's going to happen at the seat appointment.